I really enjoyed finding new ideas and finding new ways to collaborate with people. I've also enjoyed being able to work freely. Everything was like a safe zone.
Story Lab has been a really good opportunity for me to meet others and use my creativity to its full extent to create a story.
What I've enjoyed about Story Lab is creating the new story, Ponderland, all the new characters, all the paths. It's all good because not all paths lead to the same thing.
I've really enjoyed how fun it is to share ideas to make a giant story with all these different paths and well thought out characters and places.
If you decide in the future that you want to be part of a Story Lab that Flossy and Boo do again, bring every idea you have to the table, because they'll never say no. They'll just think of ways of how they can interpret it.
Some highlights have just been coming up with random words, finding random objects in your room and then being included. For example, these two worms that were included in the story. So yeah, it's so much fun.
All your ideas are accepted, all of them are used, which is a great thing. It's just a great experience to do. Thanks guys.